If you want to help out the channel, you can head over to my Patreon, try to get yourself a mug, sticker, or tote bag. There are tier systems set up over there. I will put the link in the description, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my live streams. I do exclusive giveaways. You can try and get yourself a Zippo, and also I'll have a PayPal link in the description too if you want to donate to the channel that way. Hey everybody, how you doing? I got a special video for you today. This video is focusing on lighter parts, and the lighter parts I'm talking about here are very important, very valuable ones, very hard ones to find. I got these for relatively cheap. I'm going to get into it. I didn't get the flint wheels and things like that because I have an abundance of them and I have little bolts for them and things like that. I operate them different, so I didn't need the parts for this. But I got these ones here. So first thing I ordered, they gave me these 3 Wicks for free. So they threw these in there for free. I didn't order them. They came in there. These are the parts I ordered. This is a rivet for a cam spring. I ordered 100 of them. Definitely seems like there's more than 100 because like there's 10 right there. So, but definitely seems more than 100. That was a great deal. I really like these. And then here, very valuable parts. The rivet for the cam. The actual cam, not the cam spring. And to show you the difference here, I got an insert right here. See right down there? That is these rivets down there. So if anyone need one, I have 100 of them. And then this cam spring right here, these rivets are these ones right there. So that is a good deal. These parts are very valuable. They're like, if you want to fix inserts and things like that. Now the reason why I ordered this is because Ryan, who gave me the titanium Carson War Armor and sent me his Super Diamond tank to do a review on, he is also sending me an original 32 replica. This is one of the older replicas. They're worth quite a bit of money. They sell anywhere between $250 to $500 for these original 32 replicas. He used it lots. The insert is damaged. The spring is messed up. I haven't seen pictures of it. I don't know anything about it, but what I do know is I needed these parts just in case anything happened. Like, since he was a nice guy and gifted me this for free, this is like a $250, $300 lighter to buy right now because they don't make these ones anymore. Since he actually gave me that, I told him I'd do all the work for free and things like that. I'd even order the parts. I didn't care what they cost, but it only cost me $3, $1.50 for this, $1.50 for this, sent to my door. They sent me free Wicks, and I want to show you what else they sent me. Look, too. They sent me a Supreme sticker for some reason. I don't know why. I'll be giving this away tonight in a live stream. Got a really cool live stream for everyone tonight. Hope you can be there. Be giving that away, Zippo away. And they left this note, just to give them a good review and everything like that, and like how hard they work. And I have to admit, this is the fastest delivery I've ever had on AliExpress, except the TGB speaker. This is by far the fastest delivery. It came within 2 weeks of when I ordered it. It comes that fast from China, and this came right from China. So look what they put on the back. I love you. This note. Oh man, that's funny. But you know what? They're trying their best. They did what they got to do, and they sent the parts. They have other parts too. They have other chimney. Why did I say chimney? They have other flint wheels that like come in with like how a knife is, the 2 pieces of wood are held on. You can just screw it into the other piece, or they have it with like a little C-clamp. You can get different versions of the wheels however you want to attach it. Pretty good little store. I don't have a link or anything. I don't know. I don't remember. You can just type in lighter parts on AliExpress and find them. It's not too bad. So, all right, everyone. I hope that was a helpful video. I'll see you in the next one. Tomorrow I should be having a video how to clean a gold-plated insert. A lot of people are interested in the gold-plated inserts these days, and a lot of people have Zippos with the gold-plated insert. So they're going to want to know how to clean it. So I will see you tomorrow in that video. There's a quick one for you today. Everyone, take care. See you in the live stream tonight.